That's not small stick there though, it's not a terrible one. Oh! One just came up. Look!
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh, goodness.
It's a 10!
Hey!
Oh, that's not a bad fish. Maybe now that it's shady again, they'll bite more. Oh! Might be a good one. Might be a good one. Okay, this is a good. No! What's up, guys? Welcome back to Great Outdoors TV. And in today's video, me and my cousin are out fishing on my cousin's new Xpress Boats H17 and trying it out and catching some good fish. So thank y'all for watching, and let's get into the video.
Fight in the beginning. Oh well, they don't work from there. Hey!
Oh, that's not a bad fish.
Big mouth. That's what they call a big mouth. Yeah, good. I just don't.
6-inch rod.
Alright, 10-inch more. We're gonna be outdining.
No!
Ah!
Oh. Dude, I'm so bad at this. Oh, did you see that? One just swelled on it. I think he went up to think about it and then saw us and dipped. Is it a good one? No.
You kidding me? That was not a bad fish.
That was like a pounder.
That was like 1 pound yellow fish.
That's a good one. It's probably like 3 or 4 maybe.
Oh, yeah. No, now that's a 3 or 4. That's a 6. Whoa.
It's a 10!
You should have grabbed it!
Oh my god!
What the heck? Woo! Fish. No, the back's gonna dip it. Good? Fighting.
That's another good one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's actually a fish this time.
Hold up.
Might be a good one. Okay, this is a good.
Oh.
No! That was a good fish. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. I can flip them.
That splash sounded like a 5 pound.
That's about the same size as my other one.
That's the climax.
Good one? Maybe? Oh, that's a good, not a bad one.
That's the best fish of the day.
That was a terrible boat.
Maybe.
There you go. Oh, what a flip.
That was a terrible boat. There's a stick. What?
At the boat.
Dang it, now I gotta get it up.
Well, I caught a monster. Little dude. See ya.
Nice. It's a little guy.
Fighter.
That wasn't even a hook set.
You're having rough luck where you hook them. Good one. And never mind. Alright, number 3.
Definitely not the same size. Henry's gonna be good. Probably like a 3.5. Mine's like
I'm wrapped. No, I'm not wrapped up. Oh, yeah.
Can you flip them?
Yeah, I'll flip them.
Oh, don't flip it that way.
There you go. Gosh, that hurts.
That's a big one.
You good?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's close though. Good? No. Oh, it felt like a lot bigger when I
yeah, whenever you, yeah.
I think bit mine too and I came to yours.
Still good fish.
Yeah, it's not a bad fish at all. Okay. It's not a big one, but little guy wanted it. All right, so that's 5 for me. So it's 655 or 755?
8.
About to be 8. Dinky McSqueaks. That's not smallest of the day though. It's not a terrible one. Oh! One just came up. Look!
Oh my gosh.
Someone's marshmallow mateys are gonna have some fish juice in them.
Yeah, no, I'm not eating those no more.
I mean, we fished it towards the... Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! He bit it. I tried to like pull up, but then it got away from him, and then he came to the top of the water and just destroyed it.
Oh.
Bruh.
Another small one.
No.
Oh no, that's a good one.
Holy crap! I'm recording.
He just swam right towards you.
That was.
Woo!
Grab his mouth.
That's a good one.
That's the
Yeah, that's probably a 4. Smooth. Oh, there he goes. Maybe now that it's shady again, they'll bite more. Oh, might be a good one. Oh, never mind. Oh, I snagged him. Yeah. Kind of a non-pretty fish, but fish is a fish.
Oh my god!
Was that a fish?
Oh!
Was that a fish?
Oh!
Dude, was that a fish?
No, I felt it was on the other. It wrapped me around a log.
I did see a swirl
Whoa!
after you snapped off.
Oh my gosh!
Good one? Maybe? It's for sure a fish?
Dude, that was a fish. Get over it.
Oh.
That's fighting so hard. I know, watching. I thought you hooked up with that one. I was like, no way.
Fish?
Ooh.
Potential good one? No.
Alright, tag in.
Yeah.
Because we fished here all day. You can get some time in on that.
Can I drive? Or do you want to drive home?